To the corridors of justice, where a Milimani Law court has sentenced woman to 3 years imprisonment after finding her guilty of possessing and trafficking narcotics. The same anti-corruption court wing has also jailed a medical practitioner, Evans Asomba Nasebe, for 6 years for engaging in corruption deals.
Senior Principal Magistrate Bernard Ochoi sentenced Elizabeth Njoki Wanjiru to 3 years imprisonment after finding her guilty of possession and trafficking of narcotics. According to prosecution, Elizabeth Njoki Wanjiru and others were found with heroin drugs with a market value of 11.6 million shillings. Elsewhere, before the anti-corruption court, a medical practitioner has been convicted for receiving a bribe of 100,000 shillings from a businesswoman, Kezia Wanjiku, and another 30,000 shillings from Kennedy Obare.
I'm satisfied that only the offence of attempt has been proved in count 4. Section 179 of the Criminal Procedure Code states that when a person is charged with an offence consisting of several particulars, a combination of some of which only constitutes a complete minor offence, and the combination is proved but the remaining particulars are not proved, he may be convicted of the minor offence or proved he was not charged with it.
Evans Asomba Nasebe was fined 600,000 shillings or faced 6 years imprisonment after he was found guilty of 7 counts of receiving a bribe.
As such, the accused person is sentenced to a fine of 400,000 shillings on count 3 in default, 3 years imprisonment, and a fine of 200,000 shillings on count 4 in default, 3 years imprisonment. Right of appeal, 14 days.
And a Chinese national, Sheng Jing, has been released on 2 million shillings bond with an alternative cash bail of 500,000 shillings after pleading not guilty for fraud charges. Sheng Jing is accused of obtaining Kenya shillings 5.8 million from Walmart Group Limited by pretending they were in position to sell them a 1-bedroom apartment house in Kileleshwa. Finally, a Mombasa law court has suspended 6 warrants of arrest against an elderly businessman, Shivji Javda, who is on a sick leave in India. Chief Magistrate Alex Ithuku suspended the said warrants and allowed Mr. Shivji to be produced before the court on December 18th.